Alright guys, I got everything changed over. Got those tires over there that was on the this one here, and tires that were on over here. I had thought actually it was going soft, but it's not really. I get the thing broke here. Sidewall gave out. Even out right there too. So good thing I changed them when I did. Also, as you can tell, got her running again. Took me a little bit. Yeah, she does. She's really well on fuel anyways, but yeah. I don't think no. I gotta charge the battery again, but anyways, I got a guy coming Tuesday to look at this, so I had to switch everything over, and then keeping the battery though. It's already in here. This is a good battery, so, and believe I didn't buy it. I believe I bought it not too long ago, so. But anyways, turn the gas back off. But I guess I can push her back in there, get her back up the way, and call it good for today. Keeping my tire changed too, because they got a really good one, so these ones have a little bit more spacing into them than that one's over there. But it's alright. They got the ice fighters on them, so it should dig in a lot better. Unplug this and reset the salamander again. If ain't one thing, another. That thing don't want to keep running. So I guess I gotta tinker with that when I hopefully get the pipe undone. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. But I run for 15-20 minutes, and if that sometimes, and shut itself off. I gotta reset it again. Gonna run a little bit longer. Heck, that I even don't want to run when it's freaking cold out. That'll give you guys an idea how cold it is out here. But alrighty guys, 14 over there.